Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model Aviator RB3025 in color code 122/4D. It's a gold color frame. The temples have a transparent finish at the tip of the temples, as well for this side. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a polarized orange-red fashion aviator shape. And they have a RayBan logo engraved on the top right frame and P for polarized. They are RXable. Up here, we have a RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in. And in this bag, we have a microfiber cleaning cloth and a RayBan booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.